Is hematite. Hematite is a relatively hard and dense mineral with a hardness rating of about 5.5 to 6.5 on the Mohs scale. It is not considered to be a particularly brittle mineral, but its brittleness can depend on several factors, such as the size and the shape of the specimen, as well as any inclusions or cracks present within the mineral. In general, hematite can withstand normal wear and tear without breaking or cracking, especially if it is in the form of jewelry or small specimens. However, large specimens or pieces that have thin or irregular shapes can be more susceptible to breakage and damage. If you are working with hematite, it is important to handle it with care and avoid exposing it to sudden temperature changes or extreme pressure. Hematite can be sensitive to chemicals, so it is also important to avoid exposing it to acids or other harsh chemicals that can damage its surface or structure. While hematite is not considered a particularly brittle mineral, its durability can depend on several factors. It's always important to handle it with care, avoid exposing it to harsh chemicals and conditions in order to ensure its longevity and beauty. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you enjoyed today's content, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you on board, and I'll see you in the next one.